关了。Okay. So here, can anyone hear me? Here is the main products. Here is our company, our company named the Henan Jinri Engineering Food Company, and the main equipment we sell is the sweet potato starch production line, and the Puree Levato starch production line, and also cassava starch production line, cassava flour production line, and other kind of equipment. You can buy our equipment. You can buy the whole processing line, and also you can only buy the standalone equipment. Okay, so next, here is the photo in Nigeria. This photo is our Nigeria workmate, maybe, and we work together in Nigeria. Here is a big warehouse in Nigeria, and our company also use this warehouse to make your shipment be more safety or more efficiency. Okay, and this bottom two photos are our salesperson with the customers. And also our company can sell all kinds of oil pretreatment, processing, leaching, refining, frictional, and winterization and dewaxing equipment, storage, packing, oil tank, laboratory, and other complete sets of equipment. Like in Africa, we can sell some kind of palm oil processing line, and also the kernel of palm processing line. And here is the solid hazardous waste treatment and sorting plant. Yes, this equipment we all can sell. Metal and plastic separating machine. And today we are the Henan Jinri Engineering Company. Our company means selling some kind of starch or flour that like potato starch, sweet potato starch, and also the Garri fufu processing machine, processing line, or single machine we all can sell. And the equipment is very safe because you can see the top of the screen. Here is the photos of the delivery photos. That this one is delivery to the Sierra Leone starch project. And this picture is about the ISO certificate. Here is the company's reasons. Okay, here is our boss, our chairman, and he is very famous in the starch project all over the world. And here is the international trading team. Our equipment is not only selling in China, but also it can selling all over the world. until now, our equipment, maybe it is all over the world, how 116 companies have our equipment and our project. So you can be very satisfied with our company, with our factory, our equipment. And here is project cases. You can have a look. We have many different kind of country and city, and Indonesia, Laos, Thailand, many different country customers. They come to our office and we have the car to drive them to our factory, and the factory have the different kind of equipment. They can have a look, and if they want, we can we can make them yeah, we can make them to have a look. And this photo is 5 ton per hour input sweet potato starch project. It's in China. And here is a big project because it is 35 per hour input potato starch. It's also in China. And this is in the Indonesia for 12 per hour input cassava starch. Oh, our company can give you the cassava starch, cassava flour. We all have equipment. Like here is a peeler, right? Dehydrator peeler. And this one is in Tanzania. It's maybe a little project. And this one is in the Kinshasa. Oh no, sorry. It is Congo, DR Congo. In Uganda, our main customers, they come from Africa. So if you want to ask me, is there some customer in Tanzania or in Nigeria have your project? Can we have a look? That's okay. If the boss want you to have a look, you can have a look, okay? So here is the customers with it. You can see they are from many different kind of country. Thailand, India, they all have. And here is the step that delivery. And here is the installation of our equipment. Okay, here. And here is the introduction of our equipment. So this one is a feeding hoover. Feeding hoover, this below, it can be shake, and the shaker will shake the cassava into another into the belt conveyor in this one, for mandatory transportation. And here is the dry sieve. This is the next step. It is for impurities removal from cassava surface. And here is the paddle washing machine. Paddle washing machine is used for cleaning cassava, makes the cassava more cleaning, right? And look at here. Here is only one pole, and here is two pole. So if you want the only one pole like this, maybe you can contact me and our engineering will help you to make the equipment more suitable on you. Here is a special one. It's named the cutting machine, used for precussion of cassava. And it is made of the 304 stainless steel. It's very safety for eating. And here is the blade. Blade adopts like a diamond-shaped design. And also, this blade is made of 4CR30 material. With high hardness, it is very good for use. And this one, cutting size can be adjusted and confirmed before production. If there are no special requirements, we will make it in standard. So this one is for cutting the cassava to the small pieces. Next. Oh, this one is rasper. Rasper is making the cassava to the very thin and make it to the cassava milk. And below the rasper, here is 5 kind of demagnetization device. It's it to remove the metal and iron blocks. And if you use the 5 demagnetization, it is better protecting the soul blood life of this rasper. And it also can make your cassava milk in the good quality. And you know that in the rasper, here is a circle. No, here is a roller drum, maybe roller drum, and it will roll in a very fast speed. It is about 12,000 roll per hour per minute, so it roll very fast. And on the drum, here are many kind of 35 mm material. It is a blood. Yes, so we use the kind of blood to make the cassava to the cassava milk. And in this design, we also can provide you for the other design like the hammer crusher and also grinder. It also can make the cassava to the cassava milk. But I think this one maybe it is the very special and good quality one. So our company is persuade everyone to use this production. Here is the centrifuge sieve. This one is very important for the cassava starch, or also the Garri. So today I'm telling about the Garri processing machine and the fufu processing machine. And this machine is mainly used for the fibers separation. And this one is also used for starch because it is a hydrocyclone for separation of the protein and the cell liquid. Everybody, you can have a look because this is not our main thing today. Here is the equipment in drying section. Here is a vacuum dehydrator used for starch milk dewatering, from which we can get wet starch powder. So here is a flash dryer used for starch drying, adopting negative pressure drying to reduce material loss. Yes, you can see this kind of design. The tube is one thick and one thin. It can make our powder through the tube be more slowly. It can make the powder be more drying. And also we use the negative pressure. It means that it will prevent from the explosion, and also it can make the powder be not be run out of the tube. So this design is our very good design. And the whole of this flash dryer, it uses the stainless steel. So here is the equipment in drying section. Sieving machine used for separation of coarse powder, ensuring fineness of final starch. Okay, here is the electricity control cabinet. It can make your processing line be more automatic, and it can save your laboratory. Okay, so here is our introduction of our company and also about our equipment. So next, let's have a look at the Garri and the fufu processing line. This photo is making in our company. It is the main thing we use in the fufu processing line. So let's have a look. Fufu flour processing plant. So first of all, here is the overview of the whole factory looks like. And these are the main equipment we need to use in this processing line. So first, put the cassava into the feeding hoover. And the cassava will shake the onto the belt conveyor. Belt conveyor will transport the cassava into the next machine. Okay, so the first machine, the cassava putting in it is a dry sieve. Dry sieve, it can make the cassava surface be more clean. And then putting in the paddle washing machine. And the water and cassava will go in the different way. The water will come in this way, and the cassava will in this way. So it can make the cassava be more cleaning. Okay, wait a moment. And here is also a sieve. It can be save out the more water in the cassava tubers. And here is also comes waters can clean the cassava again. And then go to the Pillar, it is mean for the peel the cassava skin, because we know the cassava have two skin. You need to peel all of the skin on it. And for this machine, we use the sandpaper in this machine. And if you want to change, you can use this lock to open this lock, and it's easy to change. Here is also the locks. And the peeling percentage is about 48%. So here comes the cutters. Cutter go to the rasper. Look at the rasper. It's a big drum, and it will run very fast to cut the cassava, to make the cassava into the very thin milk. And here, look at the demagnetization. It can remove the metal or iron debris. And here is the descender. Descender, it means what? It means you can use this machine to make the cassava milk some sand in it. We can use the sand, it's more heavy, and the sand will go to the bottom. Okay, so here we comes to the tank, big tanks. And in the tank here comes some steam tube. There are steam in this kind of tubes and make the cassava milk be more hot. And also here is the hot water. It can make the cassava's flour be more sour. Okay, so then the cassava will fall into the filter press. This machine can make the cassava dewatering. Look at here, the cassava milk comes the cassava cake. And here is a grinding machine. It can make the cassava cake to the very thin powder. Grinding machine. And then go to the dry flash dryer. And this tube is a plus tube. Look at here, it's a plus tube. And the plus tube can make the cassava powder be slowly going through this whole tube. It can make the cassava more drying. And here is two kind of a cyclone. And here is the vibration sieve to make the cassava quality be more good. And also it can control the maybe the quality, make the cassava's powder be more thin. Is all in this tab. Here we comes the PLC control part, electricity part. And if you can look at this cabinet, the cabinet you can use the water or temperature on this cabinet. And if you use this kind of cabinet, your processing line will be more save time and also save your laboratory cost, and also it can be more automatic, right? So this one is full processing line. Let's have a look at the Garri processing line, okay? So first, it's the same as the fufu. Put the cassava into the feeding hopper. Welcome everyone. We are the Henan Jinri Limited Company. We are the food engineering company. We make the cassava flour, Garri flour, fufu flour, and today we are introduce you some Garri processing machinery and fufu processing machinery. Welcome everyone. And today we have the limited time discount. Here is the dry sieve. The dry sieve it is to remove the cassava's debris on the cassava surface. And the debris will come out in here. And here is the paddle washing machine. Look at here. Here is the paddle. And in this step, the cassava and the water will comes into the different way. Look at here. The water will comes here, down the water. And the cassava will in this way to moving. And the water will pull the cassava. Maybe it is pull the cassava, so it will clean it more cleanly. And here is cleaning cassava. Here is the peeling machine. Look at here. Here is some sandpaper rollers in it, and on the top here comes the water. And use the water, the sandpaper can make the cassava's friction be more good. Friction, and this one can put the cassava to move. Okay, so here is a cutting machine. You know that the cutting machine is to cut the cassava into the very small pieces. It's nearly 3 to 5 kilometers. No, centimeters, sorry. Here is a grinding again. This grinding, it is instead of our rasper, because this, look at that. Here comes cassava. It's bigger, right? If you want to do the real Garri, it is too big for doing the Garri. So we need the crusher, grinder. Maybe it can make the cassava more thin, like this below. and then the cassava will use the elevator to send it in the Garri. It is 2 tanks. Sorry, 2 tanks. Here comes the cassava milk. And again, it uses the elevator to the here it comes the powder. Powder use the grinder again to make it more thin. Okay, so in this step is our Garri fairies. Look at this one. The shaker have 2 different line of the shaker. It can stir the Garri in a very good way. And then the cassava will pour in here. Here is the cyclone. In this video, we didn't need to make it in the flash dryer because we use the Garri fairies, right? Here is also the vibration sieve to make the quality more good. And here is the packaging machine. Here is packaging machine. So this kind of is the Garri processing line. If anyone is interested in our production line or in our equipment, you can all leave a message to me in a very private way. Okay? You can leave me a private message, okay? Okay, so let's look at the fufu processing line again. And our company named the Henan Garri Food Engineering Company. In our company, we mainly doing some potato starch, sweet potato starch, and also cassava starch, fufu flour, cassava flour, and also the cassava starch, Garri flour, like so on. Okay, so if anyone is interested in our equipment, please leave a private message. Okay, and if you want, please ask me in the commentary and I will send to you about my WhatsApp number. Okay, so let's look at this one. And below the video, here is the project that we deliver to all over the world. Look at here, it's Nigeria Starch Project. Many different starch project will about the Nigeria because we have a big warehouse in Nigeria. Okay, it is more convenient for shipment and also it is more convenient for the engineering to help you to settlement the equipment. Okay, so it's our maybe it's our this Here is the overview of the equipment we need to use in all the processing line. Here is a feeding hoover. We use a fork for the cassava into the feeding hoover. And here is the shaker below. Shaker will shake the cassava on the belt conveyor. Our company is the Henan Jinri Food Limited Company. And in this machine, it will remove the debris on the cassava surface. Okay, wait. So you can have a compare. This machine is for 2-pole, and in the Garri video, I think the paddle washing machine is only 1 pole. It depends on the customer's need. Okay. We can change many different way for suitable your need, and also it is very easy for change. Okay, because we have the famous engineering for doing this kind of machine. Paddle washing machine. The paddles will put the cassava to move in all the U-shaped pool. And this sieve, and look at this water will clean the cassava again and sieve out the more water in the cassava. And then it will go into the peeler machine. Peeler machine use the sandpaper in this machine. And look at here. Here and here below, they are all locks. Because using the locks, it will be more easy to change the sandpaper in it. And here comes the grinding machine, or you can use the cutting machine. It will all cut the cassava into the small pieces. Because cut the cassava into small pieces, it's more easily for here. We transfer the cassava into the cassava milk. Because look at here, it is a big drum in here. Big drum, it is rolling very fast. It's about 12,000 per hour. It will roll very fast. And then the cassava milk will throw two mini stratas in this pole, and use a pump into the descender. Descender, it uses sand. It's more heavy than the cassava milk, so the sand will go into the bottom. Look at here, the sand will go into the bottom. And then it will come to the big tanks for make the cassava's flour be more different. Okay, so look at here. Here is the hot water in these tubes. And also here is the hot water in the tube. And the benefit of the tubes in the big tank, it can make the cassava be more faster to change its flour. It's only about some hours maybe. And here comes the filter press machine. Hello everyone, our company named the Henan Jinri Food Engineering Company. And this machine is two different kind of filter press to press together and make the watering out dewatering machine. Look at, and here comes the cassava cake. And then the cassava cake will fall into the grinding machine. It can make the cassava cake to the cassava powder. And we use this flash dryer to make the cassava powder to be drying. This is a hot exchange machine. And going to here, it's a plus tube. Look at here, plus tube means the tubes is one thick and one thin. It can make the cassava powder more slower to going through the whole tube. And in here is the drying powder. If you think the cassava is not so dry, you want to make it more drying, so you can add it another flash dryer, like this video shows us. It's same to the first one, but it can make the fufu flour be more drying. And then it comes to the vibration sieve to make the good quality of the fufu flour. And here is the packaging machine for package. Here is a PLC cabinet, and you can change the different temperature, or open the watering, open the peeling machine, like so on. You can saving the laboratory cost, and also you can make your whole processing line be more efficiency, more convenient. So if anyone have any question, you can leave it in the commentary. And also if I see it, I can contact with you. Okay, so here comes the Garri processing line. We know the first of all, it is same to the fufu. Here comes a dry sieve to make the surface more clean. And if anyone want to contact us, you are interested in our equipment, please leave your WhatsApp number in the private message. And if I see it, I will call you later. Okay? And here the cassava into the peeler. Here is the cutting machine to make the cassava into the little pieces. It depends on your foundation, and if you want the lower cost of all the processing line, we also have the different machine you can change. like the cutting machine and the rasper, you can change it to the hammer crusher, and also the grinding machine. It's all can make your cassava into a very good quality cut. Okay, so here is also a dehydrator. Because look at here. We'll open this. And the cassava cake will be grinding to the cassava flour, Garri flour maybe. And we use the Garri ferries to stir the Garri. The temperature can be very easy to control. And then pull the Garri into the conveyor. This big ferris is very important. It's very special and many customers choose this one. Look at this picture, Nigeria Starch Project. Here is the vibration sieve. And here is the packaging machine. Okay, so if anyone is interested in our processing line, you can call me back. You can leave a message in the private message, okay? And if we see it, we will call you back later. Our company it's not only sell all over the China, we also sell the equipment, the processing line in all over the world. Look at this one is sent to the Russia. These photos are in the China. So don't worry about our equipment because we have the overseas warehouse in the Nigeria. If you have any problem, you can call us or leave your message. And if we say that, we can call you back very soon. Also in Nigeria, there have our engineering team. They will come to your country very, not very, but maybe it need a little time. So our company named the Henan Jinri Limited Company, and it's a big company mainly for the cassava starch, potato starch, and also sweet potato starch, and also many things like the Garri fufu flour. That if you want, you can leave your WhatsApp number in the private way. And the Garri processing machine and fufu processing machine. Today we have the limited time discount. If you miss today, like the Black Friday, it will miss all year. Okay, so here is my live stream go to an end. Have a good day and have a good day, everyone. Bye.